We're gonna start out by laying the swim trunks down flat, like this, with the face up. Let's start out by making sure that any lace ropes are tied up. There's a lot of stuff that can stick out in swim trunks, like the mesh, pockets, labels, lots of stuff here. So you want to get rid of anything you can, tie it up, make it look nice. Next up, we are going to make our little pocket here by folding the waistband out over the rest of the shorts, like this. You're going to need more space here than you think. So I think at least 10 centimeters, maybe even 12. Yeah, okay, let's say 15 centimeters or about. How much is that in inches? 5 inches, maybe even 6. Start with 5. And then once you've done that, make sure the other side looks good as well. Sometimes the mesh will only fold and then you end up with the outermost layer not folded in. So make sure that both layers are folded in, even, nice. Tuck in any annoying pockets or other labels that may hang out here. Next, I'm going to turn it around so that I have the pocket facing away from me, like this. And then from here, I'm going to split it into 3 parts here. So I'm going to fold one side in 1/3 of the way. And then I'm going to fold the other side as well, 1/3 of the way over. So if you have any fabric sticking out there, just kind of tuck it in here so everything is nice and even. And yeah, from the bottom, we start rolling with the crab grip. So just take your time with this one. It is a difficult fold. And once you make it up here to the top, make sure you grab hold of the entire roll at the same time. There is a lot of things that can fall. All right, so from here, we're going to take the band while holding on to everything, and we're going to fold over the top here, all around the roll, like this. You want to make sure that you get everything in there nice and tightly, nothing hanging out. Once you got it over, secure it nicely. You don't want this one to slip up. Turn around the roll, sure to hold on to the fabric. And from here, we're going to fold over the top as well. So just take your time with this one. Flip it over like this. Make sure everything is secured nice and tightly. And then from here, you can adjust it with your thumbs a little bit. Stretch it out if it's uneven. And there you go. Perfectly folded swim trunks. If you managed to do this on the first try, congratulations.